November 11th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Complete the table with the correct definitions and example of the terms. All right, so let's take a look at ratio. Ratio. Well, I know right away that an example of a ratio right here, 5 to 6, 7 with that slash to the fraction portion, and then 9, and then 3 to 21. So I know that is an example of ratios. So I'm going to move that to our example there. So a ratio, let's see, ratios that are equal, not necessarily the statement, not necessarily. How about a comparison between two quantities? Yeah, it's our comparison between two quantities. All right, let's take a look. Ratio comparison statement. I saw that over here. Statement. There it is, a statement that represents the meaning of a ratio. Now, what about a ratio comparison statement example? So remember, that's for every blank, there are blank, blah, blah. Ratios are equal. For every 5 adults, there are 2 kids. There's an example. For every blank, there are blank. Woohoo! All right, the last one, equivalent ratios. They are, in fact, ratios that are equal. And then an example of that is, for example, 3/4 and 12/16 are equivalent or equal. So that's it for our vocabulary. Great job!